Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this beautiful warm colored reverse cut crease by using the Sample Beauty palette. This is my very first time using it, and this is also the volume 2 palette. It has beautiful matte shades and shimmer shades. And let's get started. So first off, I'm using this dark purple shade. I'm packing it on and then blending it out with this magenta shade and adding a little bit of red on the outer part of the crease just to blend it all and make it a very pretty berry red color. To deepen it up a bit, I'm just adding the first initial purple and just going back and forth with all these colors to get the results that I like. To further blend out the shades up the crease and brow bone, I'm just using the matte yellow. Then I'm cutting my crease with the P. Louise Base Shade 2. And I'm adding all the colors once again in order from darkest to lightest onto the cut crease. For the eyelid shade, I'm just using a gold shimmer shade that is in the palette, and I'm packing it on with my finger. And I'm just using a little brush to get into little nooks and crannies that I couldn't reach with my finger. I'm not adding any more new color to the eyelid, I'm just adding what's left on the brush and just blending everything out. And for the reverse eyeliner, I just used the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner, and on top of that I just added the same color but in the eyeshadows from the Sample Beauty palette. I'm doing a little ombre going from dark purple to red and then yellow at the very end. Now for some glitter, I'm adding some eyelash glue, and then I'm packing on some certified glitter pigment in the color Copper. Then I added some mascara and did my eyelashes off camera. To finish off the face, I just added some blush from Shani Cosmetics in the makeup kit. And then I'm lining my lips here with the Shani Chunky Lip Pencil, and I'm filling it in with a Milani Metallic Liquid Lipstick in the color My Soulmate. And for the highlight, I'm using the shade Glazed Donut by Ofra Cosmetics in Nikki Tutorial. For a pop of color in the waterline, I just added some white eyeliner, and on top of that I'm packing on some yellow eyeshadow from the same Sample Beauty palette. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And if you liked it, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you are alerted when my next video is uploaded. And just so you all know, this is actually part 1 of this makeup tutorial. I am making a part 2 to this look, and I'm adding some sunflowers. So if you want to see how that works out, be on the lookout and watch my next video.